So the device in my hand, the gadget in my hand is the DP LED light DP-7104B. So it's a 8 watt LED tube with 1500 mAh that lasts for 1 hour. Okay, and you can see in the side this is the charging port. If you are using AC adapter, you can connect here. So if you connect it to the power supply, then you can see that this light, there is this red color LED light will be glow here if it is charging. And you can see that there is 2 tubes in this LED light, and suppose if you want to switch between the tubes, you can do like this. Before that, first of all you want to turn on this LED lamp. So this is the off, and for you must simply move your like this. Now you can see that it is on, and you can see now here the 2 tubes are being glowing now. And if suppose if you need only 1 tube, you can change it to 1 tube. Now you can see that 1 tube have been turned off, and if you need both tubes, you can simply move your button like this. Now you can see that the 2 tubes have been glown, and you can also adjust the light. If you simply move your finger like this, then you can see that the brightness level have been increasing now. So when we reach here, then you can see that it will reach full, so it glows nicely now. And if you want to decrease the you can simply move your finger. So you can simply move your finger here, and now you can see that it is decreasing. So if you want to increasing the light, you must simply rotate your finger like this. Okay, and if you want to turn off this light, then you can simply do like this. Now you can see that it is turned off. So you can see an holder also here. You can carry it. Hope this video helps you. For more videos like this, subscribe and stay with Engineers Online. Thank you.